Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today we're bringing to you a long wheelbase MAN TGE on a 2023 plate. It's an ex-demonstrator with very few miles, just clipped over 1,000 miles now. We're doing this one outside as we sadly cannot fit it in the showroom. It's just a little bit too high for the door. This is a great spec long wheelbase one. It's the 177 PS automatic. It's the highest power engine with the automatic gearbox. Great factory spec, and we've done quite a bit to it as well. So starting up at the front, you can see it's got the revised front bumper on it with full gloss black pack, front spoiler, and we've done matte contrast on the two little bits there. It's got the factory LED lights, makes a huge difference at night when you're driving. 20-inch gloss black Velour alloy wheels with General Grabber AT3 tyres all round, so perfect for all seasons. Full length running boards, quite a few colour coding details such as the mirrors, handles, etc. around the vehicle. As you'd expect for 1,000 miles, it's in lovely condition. It still has the benefit of the MAN warranty for the remainder of the 3 years. It's got a carbon fibre rear bumper protection strip and front, rear and side sensors around the vehicle. Reversing camera up top too. Now this one's been perfectly set up to be converted as either a race van or a motorhome, anything like that, with having no bulkhead, ply floor in the rear, and the rest of it left as it is, so you can determine what layout you want. You will notice there's no seats in it at present. That's not a permanent fixture. We are indeed going to put some seats in. They're just off at the leather trimmers, and they should be back to us in the next couple of weeks. It's going to have two individually reclining and manoeuvring leather seats in the front. These are the side sensors I mentioned, just allow you to see what's around you. Such a big vehicle, gives you that bit of extra protection. Moving inside, so nice factory options on this one. It's got the multifunction leather heated steering wheel, which is lovely in the winter, with adaptive cruise control. Does also have power folding heated mirrors, that was another option. And the business pack, which essentially gives you air conditioning and the overhead storage. This one's got the navigation unit as well with a reverse camera in it. It'll hook up for Apple CarPlay too. And we've got heated front seats just to finish it off in the front here. Mileage, as mentioned, just clicked over 1,000 miles, 1,007 miles. Just show you the space in the back from here. So super vehicle. Obviously this one's still VAT qualifying, so if you're purchasing through a VAT registered business, you may be able to reclaim some or all of the VAT. And we've got 20 plus photos and a full written description on our website at justnicevans.co.uk. Part exchange and finance both available, so if you're interested in the vehicle, please do get in touch with us. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.